What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to set a different notification sound for a specific app in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on notifications. Now in notifications, click on advanced settings and then scroll down and turn on manage notification categories for each app button. So after turning on this button, go back and open app notifications. Now from here, open the app in which you want to make changes in notification sounds. Now after opening the app, scroll down and click on notification categories. Now from here, choose a category in which you want to change the notification sound, and after that click on sound. Now from here you can select a sound for the app and then that sound will be selected as the apps category. So that's how you can set a different notification sound for a specific app in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.